Hey guys, it's Matt here, and in this video, you can see I've got this box. I know some of what's in this box. I don't know all of what's in this box. I paid Jordan Woolery for what's in this box. Well, part of it. Apparently he said that he gave me something else as a little gift, so we'll have to see. Hopefully, what's in here will help move the channel forward just a little bit. Anyways, let's get right to it. So, as you can see here, we've got the box from Jordan here, and I've got the... Gosh! We've got the box here from Jordan, and they're on the call, as you heard. Alrighty, so I might as well just crack into this. I've got all the addresses covered, obviously, because that would be bad if I
Hey,
didn't.
you should be careful, because, like, it's fragile. You probably don't want to crack it.
Yeah, that'd be pretty bad, wouldn't it?
Make sure you cut through the can't transport this on a airplane sticker. All right, perfect. Now we know
Make
it's
sure you
safe.
cut through the no cutting sticker. That probably isn't on there.
Yeah, definitely.
We need the classic Mac joke of I knocked my chair and screwed up the camera.
Okay, I already see part of what the frick is... Beware of that lie's side. Oh gosh. What the frick is this? What a great start. Andy Boozles.
No, so he's going to pop all of them, and then he's just going to do a time lapse of him popping all of them in, like, 5 seconds.
I could totally...
Yeah.
So this time we'll just show the letter on camera here so I don't have to do a crap ton of editing to get the text up like I did last time. Looks like you made it to the main box. Congrats, you bought another mag. Wait, oh, you might have noticed something alongside it. Yes, I included that TCL 10L you see. I haven't used it recently, so you can have it. You're welcome in advance. Very, very sweet, Jordan. You didn't need to do that. Okay, so for context, because you guys aren't gonna know what that is for, I actually was planning on buying this, and I'll open this on camera as well. This is like it's what it says on the box, TCL 10L. This is like an Android phone. Don't remember the exact specs of it. I'll have to look into that later, but it's a device that I've always wanted. I wanted to get into like Android phones a bit more, and the only Android phone I have, if I can get access to it, I don't know where it went, is this Nokia phone here that I bought for like $40. It runs Android Go. The latest version's Android 9. Not the best thing in the world, but it worked for what I needed, I guess. Oh, and by the way, there are some joyful additions to the MacBook, as you will soon see. Also, if the USB cable, or if the USB-C cable comes flailing out in the MacBook box, sorry in advance, it wouldn't stay put. Well, that'll be fun to see. Additionally, I couldn't find a USB-A to USB-C cable in time for the TCL, so you have to supply your own. Though I did include the charging brick, it came with the new, so you'll have that at least. I didn't include the password on the MacBook for security reasons, so I will have the password and you can get in contact with me. Well, I'm on the call with you, so that'll be easy enough. In any case, enjoy your stuff.
Yay.
Matt. Hopefully it all arrives successfully. Oh, you're too sweet, Jordan. What is this? Hold on. Put this MacBook aside for a second. The answer will likely be no, but like, we're gonna play GTA with this. I gotta continue this. Jordan!
You haven't even opened up the main point of the video, and you're already like just shouting my name.
I mean, hey, it's warranted at this point. I don't even know how this is.
I had to make this video spicy somehow.
I don't want to damage this box. I feel like that'd be good. Oh, come on!
That's a great start. How hard is it to open a box?
Very hard, apparently. I better not be like Linus and like drop this thing. But this box is heavy. Oh, I'm like wondering why it won't open. It's taped shut. Hey, the thing didn't fly out at me like I thought it would. This, if it wants to open.
This.
I was about to speak, but then this chime interrupted me. So, this is a...
All right, Matt, prepare your eyes.
What? What? What?
Oh, man.
What?
For the profile picture, Matt.
Yeah. I see that. Why is there a focus blur on this one? Oh my goodness, Jordan. Well, let's get to this part in a second. I want to see what other accessories it came with here. So it's got a USB-C to USB-C cable, obviously, because you got to charge the thing. And it's got the USB-C adapter, which I don't actually know the wattage. 30 watts?
30 watts.
Ah, okay. There's not much left of the box because I just pulled out all the accessories, so let's just get right into this machine again.
Like your profile picture.
I do love the profile picture and that password. The keyboard is nice. I forget that these don't use the butterfly key switches anymore, and I've actually never used a MacBook with like the newer scissor style switches. Why is this the only game that is in the dock? What the frick, Jordan? Wait, you're not allowed. What'd you do to this? Jordan! No, stop. Firefox! Why is Firefox on here? Why is this folder have nothing in it?
I don't know. That wasn't there when I shut it off.
Wait.
Why is it a blank folder?
Wait, so how do you get rid of this?
First off, why is it a blank folder? Secondly, why does it say other? Third, why did it appear after it shut off?
I don't know. My question is...
Okay, that was not planned.
Yeah.
That was not planned.
And I'm just realizing the cursor's purple. How do you delete something like this? Oh, now
I actually don't
Now it's
know.
grayed out. I just
Leave
dragged
Launchpad?
I dragged it to
maybe?
the... Wait, do you see what it's doing? I'm dragging it to the trash and it gets more and more faint.
Wait, what?
Do you see that? How faint that is now?
I can't tell on the camera now. Wait, what?
Yeah, that's like... Can I put the
How
brightness?
does that happen?
I don't know, you see it? There's like a very faint other folder here. Oh, now it's normal. Why is the hard drive called Matt's Memes? Is there anything like in any of these folders? Obviously, desktop's not gonna have anything. Duh.
Obviously, I put the wallpaper in the pictures folder.
Yeah, of course.
You like your censored face with the stupid camera?
Yes!
I love the other folder. That's like, it's like so random. But
How do I get rid of this? Do I just wait, I got an idea. If I just put an app in there, and then pull it out, will it go away? What was the point of that then? What? Reboot test. Don't sleep. Dang it. Don't worry, I don't suck at computers that much. Well, I gotta see now, since there's more than one focus to this video. Or you can just not cut open. You know, that's cool. Oh gosh, I didn't even think about it. If there's like a wallpaper set on this thing.
no, I'm actually gonna be legit with you. I just factoried the phone. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah, I even asked him that earlier when you were still setting up. I'm like, did you put a funny wallpaper on the phone? He's like, nah.
Comes with a sim tool like right away. That's really handy. This thing's really cool. And I see there are like 4 buttons here.
One's
The
the power
side ones,
button, 2 of them are volume, and then the other one's like this NXT button or whatever. It's like reprogrammable, so you can
Yeah,
set
it's
a
like a
different set of
shortcut
functions
button.
with it.
That's handy actually.
you can like double tap it to be your flashlight. It's actually pretty cool.
Oh, that's really cool. Yeah, I'll actually use that. That's
You can
really
even
nice.
set shake to turn on your flashlight, but you know.
Google sent a notification to your Matt's iPad, and one more. All right, so I guess once I get everything set up, I'll be back with, I guess, both of these devices. So, see you soon. Alrighty, so a few days have passed since I last showed this on video, and I have gotten it set up to the way I like it. What's awesome about this Mac is obviously since it's M1 powered, stuff opens instantly, pretty much. Like you saw how very quickly that opened up. Everything opens instantly on here. And you can see it's using the power of M1 to actually enhance the camera feed, so that's pretty nice. The thing I love about the most is how long the battery lasts and how powerful it is. Just, it's insane. This thing gets me by... This thing lasts forever. It's still at 100%. But one of my favorite parts about this is that you can actually run iOS apps natively on this device. So like I can open up Bandcamp here. Ouch, shut up. And I can play music from it. And I think even the playback controls appear here. I just need to find a song that is actually fitting here. Now you can actually hear the music coming out of the speakers. It sounds really good, and it gets really loud too. For as small as the speakers are on these things, they're just right here. It sounds really good. One of my favorite parts though, and I probably will have to mute the first part due to copyright, but I just need to wait. This is actually a game that I used to play as a child, and so I have a lot of nostalgia for it, and I still play it today. And the macOS version actually scales up. You can see, well, it stretched right now. There we go. Yeah, this game works perfectly fine on M1, and it's totally playable. I can move my little character around, and it's totally fine. With touch alternatives turned on, you can actually use the trackpad like this to move the screen. If I need to zoom, I can use the Option key, and it will let me zoom in and out because it just acts like, it basically is acting like my trackpad's a phone screen right now. And I can zoom out, see the map of the place, and then I can click back into here. There we go. So this just works perfectly fine. This app does, and even though the developers didn't really optimize it for this device, it still works perfectly fine. So, all right, well, we're not here to play games, so we're gonna just exit out of this. There we go. So this MacBook has been awesome. I love that I can edit videos. I love that I can play my favorite iOS games and Mac games as well. So that's pretty awesome, just be able to play everything on this computer at once. It's really awesome to be able to do that. Now, for the TCL phone, you can see there's the case that Jordan threw on it originally, which Jordan, you did not need to do this, so thank you. This works perfectly fine too, and honestly, I love the design of this phone. Like the camera hole up here, I know a lot of people don't like the punch hole design, but I like it better than my main phone, honestly. And it's just so nice to use. Even though it's such a cheap phone, I think this is like 150 bucks, if not cheaper than that. It's super smooth, it's super fast. Obviously, for being 150 bucks, it's not going to be like the fastest thing in the world. Again, thank you, Jordan. Huge thank you for the phone, first of all. You did not need to do this for me. And secondly, thank you for giving me such a good deal on this MacBook here, because this will be something that I'll be using to edit videos, probably from now on. Obviously, I still have my M1 Mac over there. It's so much more convenient because it's just portable. You can just bring this anywhere and edit videos straight off of it. It's so handy. It's so convenient. I love this thing to death. So yeah, that's about it for this video. If you liked it, then give it a like and get subscribed if you like the content that you see on this channel. I received feedback from some Discord users that they like these kinds of videos, and honestly, I like these kinds of videos too, just because they're very off the cuff and they give me a chance to have fun while actually making the video, and then I can edit them in a way that's kind of silly. So yeah, other than that, that's about it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye guys.